Nonigan Bob.
This one is my king.
Let's go!
Visionaries, welcome back to the channel. It's your host West from WESTVISION Gaming, here with another pulsating round of crazy kills, funny glitches and kill of the week. Bolt Action TV running the show from the beginning again, and it gets better and better. Nzungu Wallen with a naughty double. The first kill is standard. Watch the second kill. Lucky, they say. Thomas Hurt, featured last week with a crazy knife kill. Long distance with a sniper. Right, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce this name because I don't know what it is, but I'm going to let Ace Ventura let you know at the end of the clip how it's pronounced. Sniper off the back of the quad. Awesome. So, Ace, what is this guy's name?
Alrighty then.
Dougie Fresh, cool name, G. Knife kill of the week, I would say. Wow. Replay as well. Unreal. Speeding away, the quad still takes him out. Hard to get on the stadium. McLovin lives sniped before he could get in. Music play with a long distance kill. Some of these guys have got their own channels. Links are in the description. Big up. Fame 4 Green Gaming with a nice helicopter snipe, took the plate off, so he's got to go again. There you go. Red Tail Gaming. Thank you guys for sending me all these clips. They are fantastic. The Lamarcane, watch this guys. Helicopter onto helicopter, finished. I love that. The Lamarcane.
I say, let them crash.
Corona, K98 from across the other side of the world. That is unbelievable, guys. Corona, man.
Shit.
Shit indeed. Knob the cutlery. Another outrageous distance on the parachute. Check this distance for that type of kill. That is unbelievable.
You hit that guy! He shouldn't have been standing there.
Dianic, winner of last week's Kill of the Week. This guy can play, man. What a player. I love watching him. Amazing. A right numpty. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please smash that like button. And if you could consider subscribing, that would be great. I just found out if you don't subscribe, then a bunch of killer spiders will invade your house tonight. I know it's sad, but just hit that subscribe button to avoid that happening. Back to the kills. Migraine Dave, chopper kill. He was turning. How fast was that bullet? Link Otis, treble 3. First RPG of the round. Starting it up there. Amazing. Miko Madyoke. C4 kill with a car in the middle of the air. Popcorn, baby. Butter, salt, sugar, everything you want from a popcorn. Havoc 27S with another RPG crazy kill. Big popper, another car 98, big distance. Can't even see that chopper. Big popper, guys. Vinny the Chin Gaming. Down. Tyler Oakson. This is crazy, guys. Plate off. And then a double out of the chopper. The Pedestrian. Another great RPG. Takes about a month to get there. But gets there. Vax the Boogeyman from last week's video. Another player, guys. Helicopter crashing into the top to take out many people. Back on the parachute. Dianic. Watch this, guys. Takes him out off the parachute and then watch him bounce on the floor like as if he's on a trampoline. I'll slow it down for you. There he goes. Joey the man is the man. Panda Pop 3366. It's going behind the building, he can't get it. Or can he? Vax the Boogeyman. With a classy C4. Team wipe. Later, dude. Ricardo Souza. Off of the parachute. Taking out the guy on the roof. Back on the parachute. Now, this is where it gets better. There's your kill. He does it again. This is unbelievable from distance. That is one of my favourite kills of the week, Ricardo. Watch this. McLovin lives. Another one of my favourites this week. That's one down. Swapping over for C4. 2 down. 3. What a streak, guys. Big up the 402 grind with this chopper double. Plates are off. 1. Needs to get that other one out of the front seat, just like that. The 402 grind. Mr. Espano from last week. Blink and you'll miss it. Blink and you will miss it, guys. Alright, numpty. Swapping over for the launcher. Yes. Maurizio PZ. Nice one. Corey Hobbs. Thank you, guy. This is another great kill. Check the distance. Pavelski. Another one. Million miles away. God, that's unbelievable. Couple of glitches before we head over to some crazy last 2 kills, guys. Smop God in what we can only describe as, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's meant to be an helicopter. And what about this as well, guys? We are in a time warp, driving up to this, watch it drop. How did that happen? Crazy glitch. And now my two favourite kills of the week. Champ Lachlan from Down Under, he made me call him, and I thought it was funny, so that's what I'm going to call it. Watch this, slow motion. Is that kill of the week? I didn't put it as kill of the week. Maybe I should have. Look at that.
Holy mother-forking shirt balls.
No, I gave this kill of the week. 4-leaf Tayback. One down. He's in the final circle with the crossbow. What a way to win it with these crossbow kills. Outrageous, guys. Plate is off and down, and there is the victory. 4-leaf Tayback with the kill of the week. Guys, keep sending me these videos because it is outrageous. You guys are amazing. Thank you for tuning into the video. I'll have another one out to you next week with some more classic Call of Duty fun.